Living. I'm Carla. We are going to go through a short chair video to help with weight loss. So think very active movements. But before we get started, let's go ahead and center ourselves and get ready for our practice. So let's take our hands down to our lap, sit up nice and tall, really push our feet into the mat. Go ahead and close down your eyes, and we're going to take 2 or 3 breaths here. So inhale deeply through your nostrils, and exhale it back out through your nostrils. Inhale in, exhale it out. This time I'd like for you to inhale in through both nostrils. And then open your mouth slightly and excellent. Go ahead and drop your hands down to your sides. Take a nice big breath in. Take your arms straight up in the air. Exhale, drop them all the way down. Bend forward as you swing them back behind you. Inhale, bring them all the way up. We're just going to warm ourselves up a little bit here. Exhale, drop your arms down, bring them back behind you as you bend over. Inhale it up. And exhale it down. Inhale, come on back up. And exhale it down. One more. Inhale all the way up. And exhale your arms all the way down as you lean over. Take your arms behind you. And then come to an upright seated position. On your next inhale in, let's lift our shoulders all the way up to our ears. And then bring them back behind us and then drop them down. Do a couple of shoulder rolls. Do 3 nice, slow shoulder rolls in one direction. And after you've done your 3, pause and bring your shoulders up. And let's do 3 in the other direction. Last one. Excellent. All right, take your arms all the way up in the air. Exhale, drop your right hand down. Take your left arm overhead. Reach. Inhale, both arms come up. Other side, drop your left hand down. Reach your right arm overhead. Inhale it up. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Bend all the way down. Let your head hang. Let your toes touch, your fingers touch the floor. Inhale, halfway lift. Nice, solid pose. Hands come to your shins. Pull your shoulder blades together. Crown of your head's facing forward. Nice flat back. Exhale, slowly drop your arms down. Let your head hang. Inhale, come all the way up. Take your arms all the way up in the air. Exhale, drop your right hand behind you on the chair behind you. Left hand to your right leg. Push into the chair with your right hand. And exhale, look over that right shoulder. Inhale, both arms come up. Exhale to the other side. Pushing your left hand into the chair, looking over your left shoulder. Inhale, both arms come up. And as they come up, open your legs out just a little bit wider, about mat width apart. And on your exhale, we're going to take our arms behind us and hold onto the chair behind us. Inhale, deep breath in as you dip yourself forward, arch your back, pull your shoulder blades together, and look up, nice straight arms. And then exhale, pull yourself back as you bring your elbows forward and you round your back and drop your head. Some seated cat-cows. So inhale, arch your back, straighten your arms, pull yourself forward as you pull your shoulder blades together and look up. And exhale, bend your elbows as you pull yourself back and round your back, opening up your shoulder blades. And inhale, go ahead and come up to a nice, regular, upright seated position. Take a big breath in, take your arms all the way up. Exhale, drop your right hand down to your right leg. Take your left arm overhead. Inhale, Exhale, drop the opposite arm down to your leg. Take your left arm overhead. Inhale, both arms come up. Open your legs all the way out. On your next exhale, drop your right arm down to your right leg. Take your left arm overhead. Inhale in. Pick up your right arm. Bring it out to meet that left arm, so like you're holding a beach ball. Straighten your right leg. Come all the way up. Exhale it over to the other side. Let's go ahead and crunch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take your arms up, leave your foot down. Exhale, bring your arms all the way down to your sides. Big breath in, take your arms all the way up, drop your left arm down, take your right arm overhead. Big breath in. Inhale, both arms come up. Exhale, your right arm down, take your left arm overhead. Go ahead and take that right arm out, meet your left arm, straighten your left leg, and begin to crunch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms come up. Exhale, drop your arms down. Nice big breath in. Take your arms all the way up. Flip your palms. Exhale, bring them down. Go ahead and heel toe your feet back together. Nice big breath in. Exhale, slowly swan dive it forward. Inhale, bring yourself up, and as you do, take your right leg, squeeze it into your chest, sit up nice and tall. Exhale, take your left arm down to the side of your chair, let your right leg fall open. Just hold it supported in your right hand, let it open up. Inhale it in, drop your foot down. Nice big breath in, arms come all the way up. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, slowly come all the way up. Give yourself a squeeze. Drop your right hand down to the side of the chair. Let your left leg fall open. Inhale, bring it back up, and slowly take it down. Alrighty, we're going to come out of our chair a little bit here in a chair pose. So if you feel like this is not going to be comfortable for you, feel free to do chair pose in the chair. There's just a little bit more effort coming in and out of the chair. Be careful to make sure that you're looking where your seat is so that you make sure that you're sitting back down in the chair and you don't miss the chair. So let's take a nice big breath in. Take our arms all the way up as we push through our feet, lift our hips off the chair and hold for chair pose. Energetically pull your feet together, engage those inner thighs, engage your abs, everything should come in. Take 2 breaths. Glance back at your chair, slowly sit down, drop your hands down, pick up your knees, boat pose as you take your arms out to the side. And let's hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, slowly bring your feet all the way back down. And as you inhale, bring your arms up, come back up to chair pose, hold. Again, energetically pulling your feet together, engaging your abs. Exhale, slowly lower yourself back down to the chair. Lean back until your abs catch, pick up your feet, take your arms out to the side, knees together. Again, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, slowly come down. Let's take 2 recovery breaths here. We're going to do that one more time. Nice big breath in. Push through your feet. Come out of your chair. Chair pose. And hold. Bring everything in. Engage your abs, your feet. Exhale, slowly come all the way down. Lean back. Take your arms out to the side, boat pose. Let's do toe taps, starting with our right foot. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring yourself back up. Sit up nice and tall, breathe. Nice big breath in. Take your arms all the way up. Push through your feet, chair pose. On your next exhale, take your hands to prayer center. Inhale. Exhale, look over your right shoulder, twist to the right. Inhale, back to center as you slowly twist to the left. Inhale and exhale back to center. Take your arms back up, chair pose. And slowly lower yourself back down to the chair. Drop your arms down to your sides. Nice big breath in. Take your arms all the way up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Bring yourself all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Drop your head. And very slowly bring yourself all the way back up. Take your arms all the way up. And exhale, flip your palms and bring your arms down. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in one of my next videos. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below. Namaste.